Gloving technique is important, especially in the areas that requires sterility. Sterility means that we need to ensure that there is 0% microorganism in our field. So how we will use the sterile hand gloves? First is we need to check the instructional manual, or how will we open the sterile gloves. Next is we need to check the expiration date and the lot number. Take note, if we don't know how to open the gloves properly, we can contaminate the gloves. We need to check the expiration date because we just want that the item maintains its sterility. Lot number is also important to check if there is defect on the item. And don't forget, we need to know the size of the sterile hand gloves that will fit in our hands. So how we will gonna use the sterile gloves? First, we need to read this. We need to peel it off. And make sure we will not touch our bare hands the sterile part of the gloves. Then after we open it, we need to position the gloves in the center. Then we will spread. Make sure we will not touch the sterile part of the gloves. As you can see, there is a folding part of the gloves. We need to open, or we need to spread the sterile paper by using paper or folding paper. Then spread. Again, make sure we will not touch the sterile part of the gloves. We need to use our dominant hand, which is my right hand, and non-dominant hand, which is my left hand. First, we need to insert the gloves in the dominant hand. We need to do is, first we need to insert the sterile gloves in our dominant hand first. By utilizing the non-dominant hand, we need to put inside of the gloves our thumb, then grasping by the middle and the index finger. Then we need to position our dominant hands like this, then insert inside of the sterile gloves. Then arrange. Make sure we will not touch the sterile part of the gloves. Next is we need to use the dominant hand. We need to put the index finger inside of the folding part of the gloves, then position the hands like this, then insert in the gloves. Then grasp. Then now we need to arrange. We can now arrange. Make sure we will not touch the inside of the gloves. After we arrange, we need to interlock our hands. Then this is the time that you already wear your sterile hand gloves. Now, assuming that our sterile hand gloves is now unsterile, so we need to remove our ungloves already. So first, we need to touch the unsterile gloves like this. Then, grasp above, and by exposing the thumb, we were now removing the first the non-dominant hand. Then after, we let's insert the thumb, then grasp above and expose the thumb. Slowly remove. Now that's the unsterile gloves. Now we need to discard the unsterile gloves in the infectious waste bin, or what we call the yellow bin. So that's it. That's my demo on how to wear the sterile gloves. Then last, we need to perform the hand washing. Thank you for watching.